Hey folks, hope you are having a great time. This is Chaitanya Gunti. I am a data analytics coach and the co-founder of Swachh Data Analytics Hub. I am on a mission to help 1 million young working professionals achieve career growth through the skills of data analytics and data science. We all know that data analytics and data science are one of the fastest growing careers available today. They are also most promising to youngsters who want a quick rise in career or salary. So we find that many professionals from different disciplines are trying to shift to data analytics, and many youngsters are aspiring for starting their career in this line. However, most of us are confused due to the availability of a large amount of information regarding the courses available today. While some courses offer specialized learning in, say, Advanced Excel or Power BI or Tableau, which focuses on one aspect of data analytics such as data visualization. On the other hand, there are courses which offer comprehensive learning by introducing us to statistics and then moving on to the basics of machine learning, both supervised and unsupervised learning, big data basics such as Hadoop, Pentaho, and also SQL and how we use queries from SQL to extract the data from the big data modules. We also have a small module of business analytics inserted in these comprehensive courses. And because these comprehensive courses are offered by reputed institutes, they appear to be very tempting, and also they offer placement assistance, which makes them very attractive. Now, whether one should go for these comprehensive courses or one should go and learn each of the specified disciplines individually, step by step, is what is the confusion most of us have today. In this regard, I would like to share some of my thoughts on how one can approach learning data science and data analytics. Case 1, if you are a fresher and want to start in this line, then I would suggest the courses which are offered by reputed institutes and offer a comprehensive learning would be beneficial, because they not only introduce you to various modules of data science and analytics, they also offer placement assistance in the form of internships or entry-level positions. And from there, one can progress on into the specific discipline of data analytics. Now, the question comes for people who have experience and who either want to utilize that experience in data analytics. For example, if you are a supply chain professional and want to go and become a supply chain analytics professional, or you are a supply chain professional but you want to entirely shift to data analytics line without having any relevance to your previous experience. Now, what do you do in these cases? So for this, I would like to mention something called T-level expertise and something called V-level expertise. These terms I learned in my digital marketing class offered by Deepak Kanagaraju, wherein he says, in the first stage, a professional needs to be a T-shaped professional. That means he or she needs to know the basics of the various subdomains involved in the major discipline. For example, when it comes to data analytics, this means that one should be having a working knowledge of statistics, machine learning methods, and how to handle big data, that is extract, transform, load. We call it ETL in data analytics language. Then querying from this big data by understanding the basics of SQL. Going on further to basics of data visualization tools. And finally, if one is interested in business analytics, how these techniques apply in solving business problems of the company or organizations. Once we become a T-shaped professional, which might take anywhere from 6 months to 1.5 years, we might focus on the projects either in our own companies or externally to showcase our expertise in these skills and then get a foothold in data analytics career. Now, when we get a foothold, chances are that we might not get the exact subdomain which we are most comfortable with or aspiring to go into. So in such a case, we need to be a T-shaped expert to handle the role and responsibility satisfactorily. Having said that, once we have a grip on the various aspects and subdomains, we also, based on our experience, come to know which of these areas excites us more than the others. After knowing that, we can either pursue the course related to the specific discipline by going through either Udemy or EDX courses which offer bite-sized learning, or we can also go for courses offered by reputed institutes, generally in MS, that is Master of Science, or MTech. These will help us in narrowing down to our expertise in a particular subdomain of the data analytics, which we can utilize in our career growth once our foothold is established in the data analytics line. Hope this video is helpful to you in getting an idea of how to start your journey in data analytics. I would be glad if you can share your own ideas or thoughts below this post, and I would also be happy if you can share your feedback regarding this post. Thank you and happy learning.